Okay, turn my key on. Power's up. See the logo screen. Won't do anything. Hold my button in to try and reset it. Goes off. Comes right back on, same logo string, doesn't do anything. Hold the far right button and the power button down. Goes off. Comes right back on. And stays there. Tech support said to leave it plugged in 3 to 5 hours, which I did. Made absolutely no difference. It has came back on one time. Had a normal picture screen view. I went into settings, and then the thing totally locked up again. And it went right back to this logo sign here, and hasn't done anything else since. I'm waiting for tech support to decide to fix it, replace it, or give me one heck of a big discount towards another one, because I do like this extremely when it is working.